Hi everyone, Grayson here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making 3 quick, easy, and delicious high-protein snacks. I tried to make high-protein snacks that actually taste delicious, and this first one I turned cottage cheese into chips. The second one I'll be making an incredible frozen yogurt bark, which tastes amazing. And thirdly, I'll be making a chocolate cake with 25 grams of protein and under a couple of minutes. Let's get started. So this only calls for 2 ingredients, cottage cheese, and I'm using everything bagel. So the first thing you want to do is spoon out a small amount of cottage cheese. And we're just going to make little piles right here on our parchment lined cookie tin. You could probably use a melon ball scoop if you'd like. And I'm just going to kind of flatten these out just a bit. I'm just going to make a few of these for now to show you. I love cottage cheese. I know everyone doesn't like it, but it is such an incredibly high protein snack that is really delicious. Next, I'm going to use a little bit of everything bagel, and I'm just going to sprinkle this right on the top. Very little carbs in this. And now we're going to pop these in a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes until they're crispy. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Let's give them a check. They got just kind of golden around the edges, you know, and like I said, this has been 30 minutes. So we're going to let these cool down. And let's go ahead and take a bite. Now, they are crispy. I left them in the oven for a good 30 minutes, and I think they turned out great. I like mine kind of golden brown. They are very, very thin. Of course, it expands once it's in the oven because it's cheese. These are really, really good. The everything bagel just gives it that extra kick that it needs. I could see someone using cayenne pepper on these if you like things spicy. You could top them with jalapenos, a little bit of salsa, avocado slice on it, a tomato. Let's get started on our second snack, which is my high protein yogurt bark. Y'all, this next recipe is really good. I'm just starting with plain Greek yogurt, maybe 2 cups. Just enough to spread on a tray. And then next I'm going to be using 1 or 2 scoops of my protein powder. Now this one happens to be peanut butter cup. This scoop of protein powder has 23 grams of protein. So again, this is a high protein yogurt bark. I'm going to go ahead and use 2 scoops, y'all. Let's go ahead and give this a good mix. You could use chocolate protein powder, strawberry. You know, protein powders come in so many different flavors nowadays. There we go, that looks well incorporated. We just went in and spooned our mixture on a parchment lined cookie sheet, and this is what you should have. Next, I'm going to come in with some blueberries. These have been washed and drained, and I'm just going to sprinkle these on. I'm just going to give a gentle tap with my hand to make sure that they're pressed down into our yogurt mixture. Next, I'm coming in with some sliced strawberries. Look how nice that's already looking, y'all. Very festive, very colorful, and a very high protein. Okay, that looks pretty good. How about one more right in there? Again, I'm going to give it just a little tap with my hand. Last but not least, I'm going to go in with this little bit of Nature's Valley Granola Crunchy cinnamon flavor. Y'all, this is such a delicious snack. Okay, I think that looks just perfect. Now we're going to pop this in the freezer for about 30, 45 minutes or up to an hour. And my third and final snack is my high protein chocolate mug cake. Now the beauty about this high protein chocolate mug cake is that you mix everything in your mug. So we're going to start with 1 scoop of protein powder. This is the peanut butter cup, same as what I used in the bark. I hope you can see that. Next, we're going to use 1 tablespoon of our cocoa powder, 1 egg, and a splash of milk. I'm out of milk, but I'm going to use a splash of heavy cream. I'm going to give it all a good stir. Once you have everything mixed up in your mug, we're going to go ahead and microwave this for 60 to 90 seconds. Now that everything's mixed up in our mug, we're going to pop this in the microwave for 60 to 90 seconds. We have chocolate cake. I think it's cool enough to give it a try. Here goes. That is unbelievable, y'all. To make a high protein chocolate cake in a mug in a minute, it's pretty impressive. And it tastes exactly like chocolate cake. When you need something high protein and sweet, try this. I think that you're gonna love it. Our high protein yogurt bark is out of the freezer. Let's go ahead and break it up and see what we've got. Okay, just like that, it just peels right off. We're just gonna break this into pieces. Look at that, y'all. It looks so good. So delicious. Full of protein. It was in the freezer for maybe an hour. Okay, let's give it a try. It's nice and cold, which is nice. The blueberries and strawberries are definitely coming through. The cinnamon and the granola is coming through. And that's gonna do it for today's video and recipes of these 3 high protein snacks. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if so, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, as it does help me to continue to grow my channel and bring more recipes like this to you every week. And as always, thank you for watching Grayson's Kitchen, where comfort is always on the menu. I'll see you next time.